Today, I'll show you how to add a background video overlay on Squarespace. This feature can enhance the visual appeal of your website by adding dynamic content that captures visitors' attention. Whether you're showcasing a product or setting the mood with stunning visuals, this guide will help you make your website more engaging. Let's dive in. First things first, you'll want to locate the section where you plan to add your background video. This could be any part of your web page, like a header, a section within a page, or even a footer, depending on the design and layout of your site. Once you've found the right spot, simply hover your cursor over that section. As you do, you'll notice a pencil icon, often labeled as Edit Section, appearing towards the top or side of that section. Go ahead and click on this icon to begin editing your section settings. Now, you'll be taken to a new menu where you can adjust various aspects of the section. Here, you want to focus on the Background tab. This is where you'll manage the visual elements that appear behind your text or other content. Click on the Background tab to open it. Once inside, you should see options for adding images, videos, and other types of media. If your video is already set up, either uploaded directly to Squarespace or linked from an external source like YouTube or Vimeo, you're on the right track. Make sure your video is correctly uploaded or linked, as this is crucial for the overlay to work seamlessly. If you haven't yet uploaded or linked your video, take a moment to do so now. You can upload a video directly from your computer, or if you prefer using an external source, paste the video URL in the designated area. Keep in mind that using compressed video formats will help ensure that your site loads quickly, providing a smooth experience for visitors. Once your video is in place, it's time to add the overlay. An overlay can be a great way to ensure that the video doesn't overpower other elements like text, making everything more readable and visually appealing. You might find options to adjust the opacity or color of the overlay. Play around with these settings to find the perfect balance that highlights your video while keeping your text legible. After you've adjusted the overlay settings to your liking, it's crucial to save your changes. Look for the Save button, often found at the top or bottom of the editing menu. Clicking Save ensures that all your hard work is recorded and reflected on your live site. This step might seem straightforward, but it's easy to forget, especially when you're caught up in the creative process. And there you have it. You've successfully added a background video overlay to your Squarespace site. This small enhancement can make a big difference in how your content is perceived, adding depth and intrigue to your web pages. Remember, always preview your changes to see how everything looks across different devices. This will help guarantee a consistent and professional appearance for all visitors. Thanks for watching and happy designing.